Hey guys, wanna know how to follow the complete placement preparation roadmap on Geeks for Geeks? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it in just 60 seconds. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now, first off, simply open up your Geeks for Geeks application and make sure you're logged in. Now, once you're there, head towards this Explore icon right here on the bottom. And once you're there, just simply search up for placement preparation roadmap. Now, once you've searched up for it, here under articles, you can see a step-by-step guide for placement preparation, set 1. Just simply select it. And right here, you can see the step-by-step process on how to do it. Super simple and easy. So once you've done these, there is also set 2 right here. Just simply select next article and then just progress accordingly. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.